देखो एटा होची biochemical role of phosphorus. So here in association with calcium it helps in the formation of bone and teeth, right? So calcium also helps in formation of the bone and teeth. That's why phosphorus also helps the calcium to form this. It is essential for the formation of phospholipid, right? And what do you mean by the phospholipid? Listen, phospholipid, it is the type of lipid molecule that are essential component of the cell membrane. It is a essential component of the cell membrane, and for the formation of phospholipid, lecithin, cephalin, which are integral part of the cell structure and also act as intermediate in the fat transport and metabolism, right? Then phosphorus is essential for carbohydrate metabolism. So here what do you mean by the carbohydrate metabolism? Carbohydrate metabolism is the biochemical process that controls the breakdown, synthesis and conversion of carbohydrate within a living organisms, right? So as a phosphorylation of the glycogen requires inorganic phosphorus, that is IP, and phosphoric esters like adenylic acid, adenyl pyrophosphate and creatine phosphate, right? And phosphorus regulate many metabolic processes. It also helps in the absorption of glucose from the intestine and uptake by the cell, as well as reabsorption of glucose by renal tubules, right? Absorption of glucose from the intestine and uptake by the cell, as well as reabsorption of glucose by the renal tubules. Then adenosine diphosphate, that is ADP, and adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP. It is necessary for a continuous storage and controlled release of energy. And then phosphorus is the constituent of certain coenzyme, that is coenzyme 1 and co-carboxylase, which takes part in the enzyme system, which is concerned in the oxidation process of carbohydrates, fats and protein. Then it is essential constituent of nucleic acid, that is your DNA, RNA and nucleoprotein also. It maintains acid base balance of the body by acting as a buffer. Buffer, what is acid base balance maintained by buffer to prevent the change in the acidity. It is a component of enzyme system which is essential for tissue respiration. For the sake of tissue respiration, it also acts as a essential enzyme, right?